I always get a lot of questions about the blog assignment, and I don't really mean for this to be a very difficult assignment, but some people get confused because there's not a whole lot of structure around it. Well, it's because a blog is kind of a work in progress, so it's really hard to put a structure on it, and so I leave it pretty open-ended, and that confuses some students. So I decided to make a little video to give you an orientation about what to do for the blog assignment. Okay, so you will see an announcement posted in Blackboard, and it will have a join link, and it will look similar to this, but the join link only works for about 10 days. So I have to generate the link, and then it's valid for 10 days, and then after that point, you can no longer join the class wiki. When you click that link, it automatically enrolls you as a member in the wiki. And so you're ready to get started. And this is our wiki homepage. It is TCC ITE130 dot wikispaces.com. And when you pull this page up, you can see that students have really turned it into kind of like a place to post memes and stuff about textbooks, a lot of stuff about the book. I think because I suggest at one point to use the book as a topic or the lack of book necessary for this class. So, okay, an example of something like as I'm scrolling down and I see, examples of some things that you could possibly do on this wiki is clean up some of this stuff over here on the side. I mean, basically, you're going to log in and contribute something. And the whole genius about a wiki is you don't really have to worry about if what you do undoes something that someone else did because everything is tracked. So if I make a change and then you come and unknowingly or knowingly change what I changed to something totally different, it's okay. The wiki still knows that we both made changes to that exact same content. So it doesn't really matter what you change, but I would say, scroll down, clean up some things. There's so many links on this page, and I found where students have added web pages where they posted pictures of their dog, and I mean, just there's a lot of stuff in this on this site. Not a lot of structure to this assignment, again, because I really want it to be a loose thing, and a blog is a work in progress. So click the link, join the blog, the wiki, I mean, and come on in here and hit the edit button. Okay, I scrolled back to the top of the page, the edit button. You'll find it at the top of the page, and then we'll go ahead and do that here, and then you'll see like it comes up to with an editor, and you can edit text, and you can add things, you can delete things. It isn't really necessary. Some people put their names on things. It isn't really necessary to do that because I'm not going to grade it by looking at the blog page. I'm going to look at it under there's a different section over here. It says recent changes. You won't see that, but I will because I'm the administrator of the wiki. So I can see all the recent changes. So there you go. And when you're all done making your changes, you just hit save. You can also preview your changes or cancel them. And it keeps track. See, it sees that I changed nothing on the page, and it remembers that. So that's what you need to do. Don't really make this more than it is, and have some fun with this assignment.